nice. Yeah. So meanwhile, I continue cooking here. On low heat. Don't worry, Swat. You still have your curry simmering here. Ooh, looks so good. So the final part is going to be the krisek. Yeah? But right now, I'm going to show all my viewers how to make krisek or coconut paste, and it is very handy, very good to have in your kitchen because it adds up some flavor to it. Right? It gives you a punch of it. Very nice, very highly recommended. So I will show to you. So this krisek, you see the krisek here? See, it's about 1 tablespoon. It's going in here now. So can you all also maybe, but then I can show now. Can you see? I've added in the krisek. And what you will taste is also quite nutty. What the coconut paste does, it gives you that nutty flavor. Very nice. Right. So I just want to heat up the pan or the skillet before I put in the gratings of the coconut. Can I know what time is it now? Oh, there's a time here, 10:23. Okay. So if you are still around, stay on. And then you can learn how to make the krisek. Yeah? So remember, if you don't have fresh, you can have desiccated. I just do a little bit. We normally do quite a lot. So actually, it's a change to do in the morning, because our last 3 classes, we were doing it at night. Because again, it's fasting month, so I thought I have more energy after breakfasting. And our breakfast normally is about 7:20 here in Malaysia. So you actually, the objective is to brown your coconut gratings. You can see them, right? Okay, good. And this part, can someone also read in case there's any question? Okay, maybe you want to taste another round? Adina, let you taste. Because this is done. Now, once you put in, this is hot also, Adina. So please be careful. I don't want you to burn. Okay, so actually this is done. I'm going to turn off. Guys, can you see? This is the finished product. Can you see inside there? Can you see also? Right. So for the curry is done. You can eat your curry with rice. And if you don't have pineapple, you can also do this. It's very popular with eggplant or aubergine. You know, the purple one. You can do either pineapple or eggplant. Yeah.
Shah say, can we use coconut block?
Of course, yes.
Paste.
You can. In fact, coconut block. This is through my cousin in London. What he's been doing is actually he put the coconut block in the microwave oven, and then for a few times, and then it become coconut paste. You can do that. Find any alternative ways, any that you can do. You can achieve that flavor. I don't mind any shorter way for you guys, because this take quite a bit of time to do this traditional way.
Swat say beside the curry, how else is coconut paste used?
Coconut paste can be used mainly in curry. Can also be used in your dessert. Try it. You know, it's nutty and sweet. Not very sweet. It's nice sweet. Banana cake. Yes, Swat. In your next banana cake for me, next time you put in, okay?
Daniel say hi, Anna.
Siapa?
Daniel.
Daniel. My boyfriend number 10, is it? I'm joking lah. You know I like to joke around. Laugh is good for all of us, right? So if I don't joke, it's just going to be boring. So who else besides Daniel? Or about my boyfriend from Argentina or Brazil? Armando, the last time, what was his name?
Huh?
I forgot already. I forgot the name of my boyfriend from Argentina.
Hugh Jackman.
Hugh Jackman, yeah, from Australia, right? Hugh Jackman, Australian, right? Okay, so can you see it's browning? Yeah. You can also put it in your oven, yeah, if you want. This is for the krisek. Krisek is actually to add up the punch into your curry. Mostly, in fact, oh yeah, rendang, you must have krisek. Yes, of course, rendang. You don't have krisek in your rendang, it's just going to be ren. It's not going to be rendang, if you don't have krisek in your rendang, guys. Shah, are you listening, Shah? You are in London, and when you make your rendang, you don't have krisek. Please, don't come near me. Okay, you see how it's browning nicely. Oh, it's so nice with the breeze. So maybe I should open B&B, bed and breakfast, and cooking class as well. We do have spare room. I can chase my 2 boys out. Then I will have Airbnb or B&B? B&B, bed and breakfast. Yes, I'm sure my husband doesn't mind. Yeah. Okay, so have your patience. You don't want to burn them, so you don't want to leave them on its own. Because if you burn, of course, it'll be very bitter. Yeah? So the heat should be medium to low.
So what are you looking for?
If you have it high heat, then you just have to,
Nasi kerabu or krisek?
Yeah, nasi kerabu got krisek, of course.
Come on.
Yes. I mean, sometimes because of whatever I have, I have some foggy brain. I can't remember words sometimes, when I want to explain my cooking. But I think my viewers are very forgiving, right? You guys love me a lot, right? So you forgive my flaws. Okay, see, Rati, are you there? Renee, Rati is my sifu. And Rati, thanks for your exercise the video that you sent me. Do that meditation or the exercise with the pulling of the ears. Fantastic, I pass it on to everyone already.
Sweating.
Really perked me up actually. Thanks, Rati. Love you, babes. Renee, are you watching?
No, sweaty.
Sweaty?
Panas dia.
Huh? I'm sweaty not because of hot. It's breezy, but I have the flushes. Hot flushes. You will understand me. Some of you who is around go through all these hot flushes. So everyone is feeling very cool and nice. I'm sweating here because again. So if you guys have any recipe for people suffering from hot flushes, share with me, please. Yeah, I try so much, all different ways, and now I find just now for quite a long time. I'm allergic to a lot of things, so it's getting worse. But yeah, it's all through food apparently. So we have I'm starting the eliminating all the food that I cannot take. Yeah. In fact, I think it got worse last few weeks because I've been baking a lot of bread. So maybe I can't take gluten. I don't know, but I will try to eliminate them one by one. So some of you may have the same problem and you will probably feel, for me, it's not very nice, but I shouldn't be talking about it, sorry. Okay, it's browning now. I'm saying out loud so that my family members understand when I'm not feeling. Why are you looking at me like that, you boys? Okay, so you see, this is not yet. I want it a bit more brown, yeah? A little bit darker. Can you all hear the background music? Can you all hear? Dylan? Shraf? There's a background. Cannot? Can you bring it nearer? There's Malaysian songs. Old songs, Malaysian songs. I always enjoy P. Ramlee, but that wasn't P. Ramlee. That's not P. Ramlee. Somebody else. I think S.M. Salim. If I ask you guys, you know S.M. Salim? Oh my God. Do you know P. Ramlee?
Of course.
Saloma?
Of course.
Who else? Okay, so it's getting there, yeah? So like I said, it takes a bit of time. So actually, at this point, you can, once it's brown and crunchy, you can all, if you put it aside for a while, it becomes crunchy, you can actually drizzle them in your salad, yeah, at this point, yeah. So if I wait longer, more brown, that's when I'm going to massage here using my mortar and pestle to get that coconut paste. I'll show you. If you have time, you stick around. If not, you can come back later because it will be, like I said, we will upload onto our Facebook and Instagram. Make sure we don't lose it this time because last Wednesday, I don't know what happened. Okay, a little bit more. You see, you got to make sure that they're all brown all around, huh? So that's why you need to keep stirring them to get even. And my Instagram, can you please check?
I'm checking.
If anyone say anything.
Charlene asks, can the curry cook in microwave?
What do you mean? Kerisik cook in microwave? Microwave is very, I don't use much of microwave, so I'm not expert on microwave, Shah. You can use your oven, probably, to brown them, but microwave, maybe, I don't know. Because like I said, I'm not a big fan of microwave, to be honest. But if you have and you know how to work them out, then try. Anything that makes it easy. But the one that I mentioned about microwave was the coconut block. That one, yes, you need microwave oven because you really need this powerful, strong. Huh?
Lisa said, hello, mommy.
Hi, Alisa, darling. How are you? What have you been doing? Why didn't you follow your abang this morning to come here? Huh? And help me in the kitchen?
Tuition.
Tuition. Okay, okay. It's getting more brown, right? So, you know, this is the very traditional way. But of course, like again in Malaysia, we can get them ready. Already paste in the market, supermarket. They are sold everywhere. Again, I like to do it myself because I love being in the kitchen. Can you all guys take my picture as well, please? Can I? If I tell me if you are taking the picture because I want to smile. I only look nice when I smile. Okay, so is there any other question about the curry or the
Hey, Wellness, you're watching Hotpot.
Oh yeah, I remember him because he's been to Lazard like at least 3 times maybe, from the first house and then the second house, and I think he came the third house. He bring family members. Hello.
Why you saying hello here?
Eh, I thought you are reading it to me, so I'm looking at you, but I should be looking here. So who else is there? I'm so excited. I'm so happy, guys, to see you all. Like I mentioned again and again, encourages me to keep cooking for you all. And I know a lot of my viewers are from everywhere in the world, and I'm counting on you. Please, guys, I'm counting on you to cook Malaysian food and promote them to your friends, to your neighbors, and tell them about how wonderful Malaysian food is. Yeah, please. I'm really counting on you. And if you can replicate what I've taught here, and then share with us on Facebook or. Oh my God, the smell, guys.
Wow.
Huh? Just because you all are fasting, you cannot smell, is it? You can, of course you can smell. Yeah. Okay, see how brown and lovely is golden brown. So this is the color that you want. Okay? Dark golden brown. Because if it's turned darker, then it burn already. Huh? Alright, so this is done. I turn the gas off, and there's still heat there, you see. So it is going to be. I'm sorry for my Instagram followers that are not really looking to your side because the camera, is on the other side. Yeah. So whereas on the Facebook, I'm facing me, so I'm looking and checking what I'm doing, what I'm up to. Yeah. Okay, so you see. So basically, you can use some of this as a drizzle in your salad, and then for the paste, let me show you guys. Maybe I move this first. Okay, can you see if I put it here? Can people see if I put it here? Can you all see if I massage here?
Yeah, I can.
Yes? Okay.
Yeah.
Can? So you can do bit by bit, because if you do too much, it's difficult for you to, or you can use machine as well. Yeah. So you just have to go around like this, massage them. Okay. Yeah, so you can use for savory dishes, or you can use, I believe, in dessert as well. Yeah, it's sweet and also nutty. And the longer you keep them aside, you will notice the oil will start seeping out. So you can use the oil for your hair, you know. So if you can use it for a lot of things. You can use the oil for cooking, because if you keep a lot, I do have a big container in the kitchen, and you can see the oil will start to separate. That's right. And you don't need to keep in the fridge, even in Malaysia. You don't need to do it. I use it quite a lot, so you know, and again.